Hello, my Ogbonge people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anyone that they watch me, I they greet you now. The 12 phone now, my people. Welcome to United TV show. If they don't know our first time, I beg make I no fail to hit that Congo bell where they write with red barrel and turn on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, when I gonna say this woman she don't post again, oh, make I go see the matter where she bring come this time around. My people, see wahala, oh, things they happen for this life, things they happen. My people, make I leave now, make I watch the video. After I watch the video finish, we go come back, come talk about this lady.
My name is Nikki Fefe. You can call me Folk Queen. I deal on pussy shipping. I ship pussy to all states in Nigeria down to your doorstep. What do I mean? I've volunteered myself to help all Nigerian married women and build their home. Instead of allowing your husband to go outside there and fuck those small girls and carry belly, give them and go come your house, come they cost you a hand, they go, they think, they cry, they think of divorce. Just send me a message, tell me your location, I go come to your house, you'll be present there. I go fuck your husband, fuck him and give him that excited fuck with this fresh pussy of mine. It is better you deal with the devil you know than the angel you do not know. I have decided to help you build your home healthy anytime and each time. You know, say he don't tell you to the fuck you, he don't tell you to fuck your pussy and he need to change pussy. Just DM me, I go come any location and fuck him. I promise not to carry belly. I no go cause any harm for your home.
You are here with this girl talk. This life, May God help us for this life. You hear what he talk? Say the sharer is there to give to married man. She did it to the give to married man. When I think say this one they normal. When I think say this one for she to come out openly like this, she's not normal. At that one she's possessed. Oh, not be normal human being as she be. Now all those type of people that devil send can destroy this world, this kind of girls. You see the way this girl fine? Just fine like say tomorrow no day. She can't wait. This one say she dey enjoy the thing, I mean she dey do am. She just like to do it. Now what did she want to do? Now be that. Now what did she want to do? Person wey send me this video. He say this girl don't sleep more than 8,000 men. More than. This kind of people. So all those, this one are to, I beg my people, not gonna share this video to all those young guys where we say anything they all see they'll put, anything they see now they put. Now they put that this thing for inside. Anything they see, they'll put that thing. They don't care. Anywhere we come around, then they put that things. You see, the way they take married women, see, you will ever do that for that. You will do that husband for that present. You will do that husband where for that present. Than for that husband to go outside, go carry side chick. Some of all those side chicks say for the this not because of love, oh. Now money make they follow this married men. Oh. Now money. Even the people they do this work, now money make they do this kind of work. They never they shame they do one. But see this one now come out openly. See what you want they give freely. You want they give people. You want they give people. Now those kind of men will give, they'll sleep with finish. That destiny they'll take her. They no go prosper again. Or this way they come out from inside. They go use that. They no go see children born again. They no go see children born. They go hospital. Doctor will tell they say they're okay, they're sound, everything is okay. But in the spiritual, they don't collect all the ones who go bear children for them. You don't collect the ones. Our brothers, our fathers, our husbands now need to be careful. Make we una just deal with una wife, una girlfriend. Down from here, pium, from one place to another, from one place to another. You eat today, you eat this one. You eat this one, you eat this one. Today you did this city. Next month you did this city with another girl. With another girl. You see? You see no carry belle. See, many people they call her for anywhere, anything. Many people call her. Down for the husband to go to meet side chick. People they call her, say if you can't go do the husband, we're not going to carry belle. Say the devil you know is much better than the angel you know. When I to say this girl did well, when I to say she is okay. She's not the okay. She's not the okay. This girl, she really need deliverance. She really need prayer. She really need our prayer. This girl. Either she's possessed. Now something that make her they talk like this. Or she come for something. Now those ones where devil they say me can destroy young guys' life, young men life, even old men life. This kind one. Men, we could not be careful. My people, I beg, we could not share this video. So all those guys will be saying that one place, they know they put that this one. No, listen, because this one just can't talk. There are many for outside. This kind of people. There are many. Just because this one just come out, can't open up to your own. This kind of people, where they possess like this, they're many for this world. They're many. They're accountable. I mean, you see some guys, they know they prosper. Anything they do, they know they move forward because they don't sleep. They don't do something with somebody we're not supposed to do with. Because those things now two spirit, now even like spirit and spirit together. But people don't go know. People don't go know say these things what would they do now bad thing. Be like two spirits. Now there you say boys, they know they move forward, they move backward. Men, make you now be careful, eh? Make you now be careful. We be say una wife no go reach you now, una girlfriend no go reach you now. Now go dey waka from one place to another, from one place to another. And people gonna share this thing, eh? Make those guys, make they see am. Make they see am, make they see the kind of things where they have for this world. This world there. We don't know when this world will end because this world now if evil they happen, they much than good now. This evil. They more than good nowadays. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.